Hey everyone! Welcome back to Playing Error. It's been a while, so excited to meet you guys again. Just look at those stunning wings and that golden armor. What do you think about? It's the new release of Sanguinius. Here we have the massive packaging box, and I have to say it's quite impressive. It contains 3 layers. On the first layer, we have the figure itself, along with some amazing accessories. The second and third layer, which holds the wings and a stand, which it can be attached at the back of Sanguinius, giving you some great display options. One of the coolest features of this figure is its flexibility. Just check this out. You can easily twist and pose the joints for a variety of stances. It really enhances the display potential. Let's talk about those incredible wings. They're fully adjustable and can be spread at different angles. This unique feature gives Sanguinius a lifelike presence that truly stands out among other figures. The wings are easy to assemble. Just plug them into the hole at the back. Just look at how amazing these wings are. They really give the impression that he is spreading his wings and about to fly. Let's showcase some different movements of the figure. Look at how majestic he looks. The level of uniqueness in this figure is just phenomenal. Let's do a size comparison. Here's the Blood Angels Legion Praetor with the Paragon Blade. As you can see, it is about 2/3 the height of Sanguinius. And here we have the Blood Angels Contemptor, Incendious Dreadnought. Thanks for joining me today for this unboxing of the incredible Sanguinius. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. What do you think of this figure? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, keep on playing.